igloo. We're coming around to the entrance to the igloo. They covered it up. Here's the entry. Look at that nice detail work. Crap, I gotta bend down in here. Oh, I left the candle burning in here. Anyways. Here is the igloo. Like I said, they're pretty big in there. You can kind of see the floor, which space they got. There was five of them. Well, I guess plus me, there's 6 of us in there earlier. They cheated on the roof because it just built straight up. So they just covered it with something and put snow on top of it. But pretty cool. Well, better put their door back. So that is the igloo they built today. I don't know if my light will reach to kind of see how big it is. It's probably, I don't know, 10 feet in diameter maybe? I don't know. Yeah, that's probably what it is. Whew, I'm freezing. Bye.